Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start now. Align chest slightly across, head steady, eyes locked on the seam. This is how you read swing early. With the seam upright, use a firm yet relaxed grip. You want feel, not tension. Step in with a compact front stride, keeping weight forward to force an edge. Once done, trigger a short, late bat face angle to nick the outside edge. This creates glancing contact rather than full drives, increasing the chance of slip catches. You now refine contact. Use soft wrists at impact so the ball deflects off the toe or shoulder of the bat instead of punching through. Control bat speed. Shorten your arc to about 1/2 to 1 second from backlift to follow-through. This buys reaction time for late movement. Make sure to aim the blade so the ball meets the upper outside portion. That's where edges are formed. If you read movement late, delay front foot slightly and let the ball come to you. Finish compact. Arrest your follow-through to keep deflections low and heading into slip cordon. A full drive lifts the ball away. Once done, coordinate with fielders. Request one more slip or a slightly wider leg slip to convert low edges into catches. If you keep finding the middle of the bat, tighten your grip slightly and recheck seam orientation at release. Often the seam has closed. Make sure to watch the bowler's wrist. Small changes there explain big late movements and let you adjust in play.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.